So good morning student, this is our new video and our chapter 7 state of matter. In our previous video we were talking about the reversible changes. Reversible changes like water to liquid, liquid to water. Okay, means they can be reversed in both of the directions. So now we are going to talk about irreversible changes. So what are irreversible changes? If you burn a piece of paper, it changes into ash. During this process of the burning, the paper first turns brown and picks up the flame rapidly, giving out a lot of heat. So what is happening here? First we are taking a paper or page, then we are burning it. So after burning it, we'll get ash left on the ground now. So can you change this? Can you make the ash into the paper again? So this is the answer is no. The paper finally changes into ash. Can we change ash back into paper? No, we cannot. This type of change is known as an irreversible changes that cannot be changed in both of the directions. Thus, a change in which the original substance cannot be obtained even after reversing the condition is called an irreversible change. I have already given you an example. Suppose you have a pizza or burger, and if you have eaten it, then you can take it back from your stomach. Okay, this is the best example. For example, raw egg to cooked egg, cake mixed to baked cake. So I'm giving you some simple example. Suppose you have already broken the egg. Now egg is like this, so you can't make this egg from this cooked egg. And there are many examples in irreversible changes. So if you have suppose if you have wheat and if you have already made the chapatis, then you can't make dough or wheat from the chapati. So these are irreversible changes. Now other examples are rusting of iron, irreversible, cooking of food from raw vegetable and rooting of wood are some more example of the irreversible changes. Growing of the human beings is also an irreversible changes, because a grown up human cannot become a child again. So suppose you have grown up to class 5, now if you want to be a kindergarten kid, this can't be happen. Okay, so similarly, once a plant grows from the seed, it cannot be converted back into the seed again. Okay, means because the seed first convert into the seedling, and after seedling the tree it will become a tree. So this cannot be a seed again. In all of these examples, the substance you get after change cannot give back the original substance even if you reverse the condition. So in any condition you can't change these changes. Okay, so in reversible changes we can change in both directions, like ice to water and water to ice. And but in irreversible changes we can't change. Like if we have already made the egg, then we can't make it egg again. And if you have cooked your food, then you can't make the food again vegetables. So these are all about irreversible changes. So you have to read all the topics I have explained from starting, and then I will start the next topic.